COMET-Energy is a standalone tool that allows you to calculate reductions in greenhouse gas emissions based on anticipated fuel savings. The tool is intended for calculating reductions from agricultural fuel savings, but it can be applied to any industry where an expected or predicted fuel savings might be made. The COMET-Energy tool can also be used as a simple way for you to calculate your carbon footprint in relation to your energy consumption. You can use COMET-Energy by itself or in conjunction with your Comet Farm user account. Thank you for your interest in the COMET-Energy tool. The COMET-Energy tool can be found by going to www.comet-farm.com and clicking on the Go to COMET-Energy tool button located in the center of the Comet Farm homepage. Emissions are calculated based on the reporting guidelines defined in the U.S. Energy Information Administration's Voluntary Reporting of Greenhouse Gases program. Emission coefficients for electricity are taken from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's eGrid. To begin using the COMET-Energy tool, you will enter the zip code of your operation in the box located at the top of the page. Next, you will select the units that emissions will be reported in from the drop-down menu. Finally, enter the name of your project in the project name box in the top right of the page. After entering the zip code of the operation, selecting the emissions reporting units, and naming your project, you'll enter the annual fuel savings in the table below. Fuel types that are evaluated in COMET-Energy are listed on the left of the table. You will enter the annual amount of fuel savings in the field to the right of the corresponding fuel type. You may enter annual fuel savings for as many fuel types as you would like. Upon entering an amount for a fuel type, values will appear to the right in the table. The first column represents the annual energy savings with respect to a reduction in fuel use. The middle of the table reports values for greenhouse gas emissions. The far right column will report the air pollutants associated with the fuel types you have selected. Values are totaled at the bottom of the table. Located just below the table is a summary of your results. The summary explains the reduction of your annual greenhouse gas emissions. The summary also breaks down emissions based on their source. The categories include fossil fuels and biogenic origin fuels. In addition, your annual energy savings are reported. At the bottom of the COMET-Energy tool, there is a detailed table that explains how your emission savings are calculated. There are also useful links that provide further information. When you have entered data for all desired fuel types, you may print a report by clicking on the Print button located at the top right of the COMET-Energy tool. Thank you for your interest in the COMET-Energy tool.